Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
This looks legit, right? A job offer from what seems to be a company's official email.
So how on earth can a scammer send an email from a domain they don't actually own?
Well, the secret is hiding in a part of the email most of us never even look at.
It's a trick called domain spoofing. Think of it like a digital forgery for email addresses.
And a domain's vulnerability often comes down to two little missing security records, SPF and DMARC.
These basically act like a bouncer's guest list, verifying who is actually allowed to send emails.
It's simple. The server checks the list. If you're not on it, your email gets blocked. Done.
So, what happens if a site doesn't have them?
Well, the door is wide open for impersonators.
And that digital loophole is exactly what scammers use to pull off that job scam.
Okay, so how do you protect yourself? It's a bit different for job seekers versus business owners.
If you're job hunting, stay skeptical. Always verify the job on the company's official website.
And for business owners, the fix is technical. You have to get those security records set up.
It's wild, right? This isn't just about tech stuff. It's really about protecting your company's trust.
So you have to ask, could a scammer be using your company's email address right now? Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.